Pillars of Stoic philosophy. So, we talk about Stoicism, often reduced to cliches: be tough, don't show emotion. But that misses the profound depth, the architecture beneath it. Stoicism isn't suppression, it's cultivation, and its strength rests on four mighty pillars: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These aren't just ideals, they're the tools for an unshakable life. First pillar, wisdom. This is the bedrock, not just knowing facts, but seeing the world as it truly is. Understanding what's within our control, our judgments, our impulses, our actions, and what isn't. External events, other people's opinions, the past, even the body to some extent. Wisdom is the clear-eyed lens. It's asking, is this thing distressing me something I can actually change? Or is my suffering coming from my judgment about it? It's distinguishing reality from the story we tell ourselves. Without this discernment, we're lost, fighting unwinnable battles against the inevitable. Second pillar, courage. But seeing clearly isn't enough. We need the courage to act rightly because we see clearly. This isn't just battlefield bravery. It's the moral courage to do what's right, even when it's terrifyingly difficult. It's facing adversity, loss, pain, or uncertainty without being conquered by fear. It's the courage to endure hardship you cannot change, illness, betrayal, misfortune, with dignity, focusing only on how you bear it. Courage is the muscle that allows wisdom to translate into action in the face of life's inevitable blows. It's saying, this is hard, but I choose my response. Third pillar, justice. And our actions? They must be guided by justice. For the Stoics, this was the highest virtue, the social expression of the others. It's understanding our inherent connection to others, part of the same rational cosmos. Justice means fairness, kindness, and fulfilling our duties to our fellow humans, family, community, strangers. It's acting with integrity, not exploiting others, contributing to the common good. Why? Because harming others or acting unjustly isn't just wrong out there. It corrupts our own character, our own soul. Justice is the outward expression of inner virtue, binding us to humanity. Fourth pillar, temperance. Finally, temperance, moderation, self-discipline, self-mastery. It's the governor on the engine. It's about mastering our desires, our impulses, our appetites, not to eliminate pleasure, but to ensure we're not enslaved by it. It's about finding the right measure in all things: food, drink, work, leisure, ambition, even emotion. Temperance prevents excess, that chaotic force that throws us off balance. It allows us to use resources wisely, to act deliberately rather than reactively. It's the quiet strength of saying enough, ensuring our choices align with reason, not fleeting craving. These four, wisdom, courage, justice, temperance, they aren't isolated. They intertwine, support each other. Wisdom tells you the right path. Courage gives you the strength to walk it, especially when it's scary. Justice ensures you walk it rightly with others. Temperance keeps you steady and balanced on the journey. They form an unbreakable inner citadel. This is the Stoic promise, not a life free from pain, but a life free from being overwhelmed by pain. Not control over the world, but absolute command over your own mind and actions. By relentlessly practicing these pillars, seeing clearly, acting bravely and justly, living with discipline, we build resilience. We find true freedom, freedom from the tyranny of external events, freedom from our own ungoverned passions. We become, as Marcus Aurelius aimed, the rock the waves break against, unmoved, not by numbness, but by profound, virtuous strength. That's the power of the pillars. That's the Stoic path. The Stoics taught not how to escape life, but how to embrace it. Start with what you can control. Start with yourself. Subscribe for more timeless wisdom.